How's it going? Well, we're just shelling this little neck. We're just shelling this little neck right in here. See what the moisture is, because this would be the wettest part of the farm. And depending on what that is, depends on how much else we shell. So yeah, as you can see, he's probably gonna get ready to break it down the middle right here. But I've been graphiting a wagon. Yeah. You don't know what that means? Well, that makes the inside slick so where grain can travel down, because just regular painted inside won't work. So yeah. Huh, that telephone pole's on this side. I didn't realize that. So yeah. Yep. Oh, I bought a... Yeah, I wasted about $25 on a stupid... I'm really pissed off at it. I really am. It wasn't what it said it was going to be. Yeah. Let's see, turn it on. Digital camcorder waiting. So you gotta have an SD card. I mean, the video quality looks like it'd be pretty good, but this ain't. What the frick? I don't know. But yeah, that was on Amazon for like $55. It came with a bunch of other little kit. And I only had to pay $25 because I use gift cards and stuff. So that was a waste of money right there. Don't buy that. That's not what I thought it was going to be. Goodbye. Yeah, you're gone. So yeah, that was a waste of money. I just had to save up and get a real GoPro. Apparently, it's going to be like $300. Got to be $300, $400. So. Yeah, some people might think I'm stupid because of doing that, but it's not the people on YouTube, it's the people at school that know I have a YouTube channel. But, yeah, I'll come back. I'm not going to make this a ranting video, so I'll come back when we got something else going on with the corn. Alright, I get the combine now. Alright. On these model combines, put your throttle in the first spot. Push down the clutch. And turn it on. Turn that music down. Now, here's your auger. That's my phone right there. Here's the yield moisture meter. Hold on while I get situated. Sorry. Good, the door's not open. Cool. Can't tell you how many times we accidentally left that door open down there on the wagon and the grain just spilled out. Let's back up a little. I don't like it when it hits that side there. There we go. This is some good corn though, I don't know. Probably figured it out here. Ah, never mind. No, I can't figure it out. Well, there we go. Make sure it's all done. Push that in and let's roll. Let's see, I wonder if I got anything to prop y'all's up on while I shell. Probably not. Let's see. I wonder if this will work. Hope y'all can see. All right. So I won't be talking because I'll be focusing. Whoa. All right. All that's coming out some pretty good quality. I know the sun glare's got it pretty bad, but I can look down. I see some corn flopping, so maybe you can see this. Jumbled up there.